Yesterday I made 100 long videos in 1 hour, that too with the help of only one AI tool. 100 videos were created in just 1 hour. Do you also want to make 100 YouTube videos by working only 1 hour every day? Then watch this video till the end. Don't miss any part of this video. First of all, check this channel. I will also show you his earning, how much money he is earning from YouTube just by uploading story, and his video has millions of views, and all his work is done with the help of AI tool. So look at the earnings of this channel. This channel is earning $40,000 monthly, and it has 10 million views and 20,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. This means that if you make a video on this niche, it has millions of views, and because the video is in English language, the video is viewed in high RPM countries, so we can assume that it. How many dollars can we earn monthly by working in niche? Step number 1. The first AI tool we are going to use is ChatGPT. First of all, you have to create a ChatGPT account, and if you have an account then you have to log in. Then you have to write in ChatGPT. Write 100 different horror story title. After that, ChatGPT will generate 100 story titles. You simply copy all the titles and paste them in Notepad. After that, you have to copy one of the titles, and write it by pasting it in ChatGPT. Write a long and interesting story with this title. So your video story will be ready in just 5 seconds. After that, you have to write in ChatGPT. Write a description of an image that describe this story, so it will generate a description for you, using which you will generate the related images of this story. Now you have to copy the story, and the image description, and paste it in Notepad. Here let me tell you one more thing, ChatGPT is not available in some countries, so you can use Bang Chat and Google Bard as an alternative. Step number 2. Now you have to do the voiceover of your story. If you want to do it yourself, then that is the best option. But if you want to make the voiceover of your entire story in just 5 seconds, then I will tell you an AI voice generator, which that is free of cost. Its name is voicemaker.in. You have to open it and first sign up on it. After your account is created, you have to paste your story here. You will find many voices here. If you want to use male voice, then they are also available. And if you want to use female voice, they are also available. After you have pasted the story, click on Convert to Speech, your voice will be generated, then click on Download MP3, your voice will be downloaded. Step number 3. Now you have to generate related images for your story, so for that I have a website called leonardo.ai. First of all, you have to create an account on it, then it will give you 150 free credits, which you can use to generate images. After that, you have to click on AI Image Generator, and then you have to paste the image description that we generated from ChatGPT. After that, you have to select the image style here. There will be many styles, so we will select this one so that the image is realistic. After that, you have to select the image size, so we are downloading for YouTube videos, so we will keep the image size as 16:9. After that, you will be asked how many images you want to generate, so I will select 2 images. So it will generate the image in a few seconds, and then simple downloads these 2 images. Step number 4. Now you have to edit the video here, so for that we will use CapCut. So you have to open CapCut, and first of all import the voice we have generated, and also import the downloaded images into CapCut. First paste the voice here and then paste the image here. Images have to be set along with the duration of the voiceover. After that, you have to click on text on top, and click on auto caption. It will automatically generate your text, and subtitles will be added on top of your videos. In the text style, you have to select the one that will increase the attraction of your video. So your video is ready, simply export it. Let me tell you once again how to create a video with the help of AI. First of all, you have to generate a story from ChatGPT, and generate an image description along with the story. After that, you have to generate the voiceover of your story. Then for that you have to use voicemaker.in, it is a free of cost voice generator. Next, you need to generate related images for your story using Leonardo. AI. If you paste the image description that you have prepared from ChatGPT, the related image rate of your story will be displayed. After that, in the last step, there is video editing, so the best video editor for this is CapCut, in which you have to edit the video. So in this way you can create your video by following these 4 steps, all the work you have done with the help of AI tool. So if you don't understand any step, then you can watch the video again. If you like the video, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel, so that you can see such and new videos. So thanks for watching.